Today I have a special hand soap to show you. It's the Natural Solution Hand Soap with Honey and Himalayan Pink Salt by Dr. Barbara Handel. This Natural Solution Hand Soap by Dr. Barbara Handel has organic ingredients including honey and Himalayan pink salt. It comes in a 14-ounce bottle with a convenient pump top, and it's sold on Amazon in packs of 6. So here's a better look at the bottle. On the back you can locate all the ingredients, including directions on how to use it, which it is hand soap, so I hope everyone would know how to use hand soap, and certain cautions. It does tell you a little bit about Dr. Barbara Handel too, if you want to know a little bit more, and it contains the nice soap within it. It has a subtle but very refreshing smell. It doesn't contain the chemical sodium lauryl sulfate, which that is a foaming agent used by a lot of big brands, and it also does not contain parabens or artificial colors. I'm going to wash my hands with this now. Alright, so we're going to wash our hands now. Put a pump of soap on there. Smells really, really good. I'm going to lather this to my skin. I've been looking for a nice, decent hand wash. Don't want to overload myself with perfume. But this is nice. It smells really good, and it's very subtle smell. It's not overpowering, like over perfumed or anything like that. It is easy to put on. I'm just rubbing this into my skin. Alright, now we're going to wash. It's very easy to wash off. Almost done. Alright, now we're all done. I'm going to dry off. And immediately I can already tell that it leaves my skin feeling very, very soft and smooth. It's like I just put on baby powder or lotion. And it's not sticky or oily, surprisingly, considering that a lot of stuff advertised nowadays has lotion in it or a lot of perfumes, and you just walk away and you feel like you need to wash your hands one more time to get that off. This is a nice, very clean feeling. It's safe for the whole family to use, by the way, and you can feel good allowing your children to wash their hands with this very organic product. It's not going to harm them, and it's great for all ages. Alright, so that is all we have today on the Natural Solution Hand Soap with natural honey and Himalayan pink salt by Dr. Barbara Handel. Thanks for watching.